Welcome to this video, where we're going to reveal a topic of great importance for those who want to protect their health. Throughout this video, we'll explore in detail which foods they are, why they're so powerful against cancerous cells, and how to practically incorporate them into your daily diet. The relationship between what we eat and the risk of developing, facing, and even preventing the recurrence of cancer has been the subject of intense research. Today we know that diet is a key factor in managing oncological risk. It's not about promising miraculous cures through a single food. This idea is too simplistic and actually misleading, but about understanding that a comprehensive diet, based on the right combination of nutrients, can strengthen our immune system, fight inflammation, and make it more difficult for tumor cells to grow. Cancer, generally speaking, develops when cells start dividing uncontrollably, escaping the normal regulatory mechanisms. However, our diet can provide natural tools that act at various levels, from neutralizing free radicals to promoting an environment less conducive to tumor proliferation. That's why today we'll review 12 science-backed foods that can help you stay stronger against this disease. Before diving into the list, I want to emphasize that there is no silver bullet in nutrition. No single food by itself will eradicate cancer. What truly makes a difference is a balanced combination of multiple foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. This synergy is what enhances your body's ability to defend itself. Let's begin with the first of these foods, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, all of them have earned their reputation as protectors against various types of cancer. They are extraordinary sources of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber that help reduce oxidative damage in cells. Incorporating berries into your daily routine is simple. Add them to your oatmeal at breakfast, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as an afternoon snack. The fiber they provide also contributes to intestinal health, a key factor in keeping cancer risk at bay. The second group worth mentioning is citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These fruits are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a condition that fosters an environment favorable to cancer development. After aggressive treatments like chemotherapy, the body is left with low levels of antioxidants, compromising the immune system. By replenishing these reserves with citrus fruits, you strengthen your natural defenses, making it harder for malignant cells to proliferate. Additionally, their high fiber and phytonutrient content has been linked to a reduced risk of gastrointestinal cancers, such as stomach and colon cancer. Third food. Garlic. One of the most interesting foods on this list is garlic. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds, including allicin, which have been associated with a decreased risk of certain types of cancer. These compounds may help inhibit tumor growth and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death of harmful cells. It's very easy to incorporate garlic into your diet. Add it fresh to tomato sauces, lightly sauté it with vegetables, or use it in salad dressings. It's a versatile ingredient that enhances flavor while potentially supporting cancer prevention. Fourth food. Tomatoes. Let's now consider tomatoes, another cornerstone of a healthy kitchen. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, an antioxidant widely studied for its role in reducing the risk of prostate cancer, among others. Lycopene is better absorbed when tomatoes are cooked or processed, for example in sauces or purees. A homemade tomato sauce, sautéed with a bit of olive oil and garlic, can become a culinary base rich in anti-cancer compounds. Moreover, tomatoes provide vitamins A, C, and potassium, contributing to a more balanced diet. Fifth food. Cruciferous vegetables. Next is a very special group, cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale. They contain glucosinolates, compounds that the body converts into biologically active substances capable of neutralizing carcinogens and inhibiting tumor cell growth. In addition, cruciferous vegetables are rich in fiber, promoting healthy bowel movements and reducing the time harmful substances stay in contact with the intestinal wall, thus lowering the risk of colorectal cancer. If you don't like raw veggies, don't worry. You can sauté, roast, or incorporate them into soups and stews. Adding light sauces or spices can also enhance their flavor while maintaining your health goals. Sixth food. Leafy greens. Next up are leafy green vegetables, like spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and lettuce. These vegetables stand out due to their abundance of vitamins C, E, and K, minerals, iron, calcium, magnesium, and other antioxidants that support cellular health. Their fiber content is also crucial. The key is consistency. Try adding a serving of leafy greens to at least one meal a day. A handful of spinach in your morning smoothie, a kale-rich salad at lunch, or a side of sautéed Swiss chard for dinner are easy ways to increase your intake. These greens also contain folates and carotenoids that help protect your DNA and maintain strong natural defenses against cancer. 7th food. Green tea. The first food in this third segment is green tea. This ancient beverage, originating in Asia, is known for its high catechin content, a powerful type of antioxidant. Catechins have been studied for their role in inhibiting tumor cell growth and preventing DNA damage. Additionally, green tea can improve concentration, which can be helpful for those experiencing the brain fog, often associated with oncology treatments like chemotherapy. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is simple. 1 cup in the morning or mid-afternoon may be enough to reap its benefits. Choose high-quality green tea, and if caffeine isn't your thing, you can opt for decaffeinated versions. Having a cup of green tea with your breakfast can become a habit that, over time, helps increase your antioxidant defenses and supports the prevention of cancer recurrence. 8th food. Seeds and nuts. We continue with seeds and nuts, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, flaxseed, chia, and many other varieties. These small nutritional treasures provide healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, along with fiber, plant-based proteins, minerals, and antioxidants. On one hand, these nutrients promote an anti-inflammatory environment in the body, and on the other, they help regulate body weight, a key factor in cancer prevention. It's important to remember that while seeds and nuts are very nutritious, they are also calorie-dense. Moderation is essential, especially if you've gained weight after oncological treatment and are looking to recover. A tablespoon of chia or flaxseed in yogurt, a small handful of walnuts as a snack, or some toasted pumpkin seeds on your salad can make a difference without overdoing it. The fiber and healthy fats help maintain satiety while also nourishing your cells with beneficial compounds. 9th food. Fatty fish. We now move on to fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their potent anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic inflammation can contribute to the development and progression of cancer, so reducing it through your diet is a smart strategy. The presence of omega-3s in fatty fish has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, especially breast and colorectal cancers. Additionally, these fish provide high-quality protein and essential micronutrients like selenium and vitamin D. Try to eat fatty fish at least once or twice a week. You can bake it, grill it, or even add it to a warm salad. Avoid over-frying to prevent saturating the fats and losing their beneficial properties. With green tea, seeds and nuts, and fatty fish, we add 3 more pillars to this nutritional strategy against cancer. Each of these foods offers a unique set of nutrients and bioactive compounds that, when integrated into a varied diet, help create an environment hostile to tumor proliferation. 10th food. Legumes. Legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, white beans, and peas, are true nutritional treasures. Their high fiber content, quality plant-based proteins, and bioactive compounds make them powerful allies against cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Numerous studies have indicated that diets rich in legumes are associated with lower rates of colon cancer, thanks largely to their fiber, which improves intestinal health and reduces the exposure of the colon's lining to carcinogens. Moreover, legumes are versatile and affordable, an important point when maintaining a healthy diet without straining your budget. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, purees, or even veggie burgers. The key is to integrate them gradually if you're not used to them, to avoid initial digestive discomfort and enjoy their long-term benefits. 11th food. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, barley, and whole wheat, provide fiber, B vitamins, antioxidants, and essential minerals. The fiber in whole grains helps regulate bowel movements, decreases the absorption of certain harmful substances, and promotes a healthy gut microbiota, another key factor in preventing cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Additionally, whole grains help maintain more stable blood sugar levels, reducing chronic inflammation associated with the onset and progression of various tumors. Including them in your daily routine can be as simple as replacing white rice with brown rice, white bread with whole grain bread, or your refined breakfast cereal with traditional oats. These small improvements add up, creating an internal environment that's less favorable for tumor development. 12th food. Turmeric. We now arrive at the last of the 12 foods, turmeric. This ancient spice, with its vibrant yellow color, contains a compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin can influence multiple cellular signaling pathways related to tumor growth, angiogenesis, the creation of new blood vessels to feed the tumor, and apoptosis, programmed cell death. However, there's an important caveat. If you are a breast cancer survivor taking tamoxifen, turmeric could interfere with the activation of this drug. Tamoxifen is a prodrug, meaning that the body must convert it into its active form using specific enzymes. Curcumin can alter this conversion, reducing tamoxifen's effectiveness and thus its ability to prevent relapse. Therefore, if you're undergoing tamoxifen treatment, it's essential to consult with your oncologist or nutrition specialist before adding turmeric or curcumin supplements to your diet. For those not on this medication, turmeric can be a great ally. You can incorporate it into stews, soups, sauces, dressings, or mix it with a bit of black pepper and oil to improve its absorption. Regularly adding turmeric not only brings an exotic flavor but also provides extra protection against chronic inflammation and oxidative stress that promote cancer. We've now concluded the description of the 12 foods that can support your body in the fight against cancer, whether by helping prevent it or reducing the risk of recurrence. However, it's essential to understand that nutrition is only one pillar in this effort. To maximize the benefits of your diet, it's crucial to incorporate other healthy lifestyle habits, and one of the most powerful is physical activity. Scientific evidence supports the idea that regular exercise can significantly decrease the risk of cancer recurrence. Some studies indicate notable reductions, sometimes exceeding 50%, in the risk of relapse when patients combine a proper diet with optimal levels of exercise. This doesn't mean you need to become an elite athlete, rather, it's important to establish a physical activity plan appropriate to your condition, preferences, and capabilities. What type of exercise is ideal? The best activity is one you can maintain over time. Light walks, gentle jogging, cycling, swimming, yoga, or Pilates can all be excellent options, especially after a challenging period like cancer treatment. Moderate, consistent exercise improves cardiovascular function, helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces chronic inflammation, and stimulates the immune system, key factors in keeping cancer at bay. If you're in recovery, you may need to start with gentle activities, gradually increasing intensity and duration as you feel stronger and more energetic. Always listen to your body's signals, and if possible, seek guidance from a healthcare professional or a physical therapist specializing in oncology rehabilitation. They can guide you in choosing the type and amount of exercise most suitable for you. Combining the 12 foods we've discussed with regular exercise has a synergistic effect on your health. On the one hand, a diet rich in antioxidants, fiber, healthy fats, and phytochemicals helps strengthen your internal defenses. On the other, exercise increases blood circulation, improves tissue oxygenation, boosts metabolism, and helps regulate hormones related to cell growth. For example, maintaining a healthy body weight is easier when you balance a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, fatty fish, seeds, and nuts with a regular exercise routine. Excess body fat, especially around the waist, is linked to a higher risk of certain types of cancer due to its association with inflammatory states and hormonal imbalances. Exercise helps you burn calories, improve your body composition, and, together with the right diet, limits the conditions in which cancer cells might thrive. We should also remember that cancer prevention and improving quality of life aren't limited to the physical aspect. Regular exercise also promotes mental well-being. It can help reduce anxiety, improve mood, enhance concentration, and, in many cases, alleviate the chemo brain, or brain fog resulting from cancer treatment. Creating sustainable habits over time is crucial. The key doesn't lie in making drastic, temporary changes but in gradually integrating healthy eating patterns and regular exercise until they naturally become part of your daily life. You can start with small goals. Add an extra serving of vegetables to dinner, take a 15-minute walk after lunch, or prepare your own meals to have better control over ingredient quality. Over time, these actions add up, creating a profound impact on your overall health. At this point, you might be wondering, How do I integrate all this information into my routine? The answer is to start with small, sustainable steps. It's not about transforming your diet overnight, but gradually incorporating these foods into your meals. For example, begin by adding a serving of berries to your breakfast, replacing white bread with whole grain bread, including a leafy green salad at lunch, adding legumes to your favorite stew, or enjoying a cup of green tea in the afternoon. In parallel, plan an exercise routine that fits your lifestyle. Maybe start with gentle 10 to 15-minute walks each day or a light yoga session twice a week. As you build endurance and confidence, you can increase the intensity or the time you devote to physical activity. It's important to emphasize that each person is unique. Strategies that work for some may not be ideal for others. That's why having professional healthcare support is essential. An oncology-focused nutritionist can help personalize your eating plan according to your needs, preferences, and clinical situation. Similarly, your oncologist or treatment team can advise you on precautions with certain foods, like turmeric if you're taking tamoxifen, and about supplements that could be helpful or counterproductive. Don't forget to schedule regular medical checkups, whether you're a cancer survivor or at high risk. Early detection tests, monitoring, and comprehensive follow-up are valuable tools for staying one step ahead. Cancer prevention and management are multidimensional: nutrition, exercise, medical care, and a holistic approach to well-being. Maintaining long-term motivation can be challenging. This is where community plays a vital role. Sharing your progress, questions, and achievements with others who have similar goals can be inspiring and encouraging. Support groups, online forums, healthy cooking workshops, or group exercise classes are excellent ways to feel supported in the process. Remember to celebrate every bit of progress, no matter how small. Simply choosing a handful of nuts instead of an ultra-processed snack, or opting to go for a walk instead of sitting still, are daily victories that add up in favor of your health. Over time, these changes become a natural part of your life, reducing the risk of relapse and improving your quality of life. We've traveled a long path, from the basics of an anti-cancer diet and why no single food is miraculous, to the importance of physical activity and professional support. Now it's your turn to take the next step. Put this knowledge into practice, experiment with simple recipes, set realistic goals, and seek expert guidance when necessary. The information we've shared is a solid starting point. Keep learning, stay informed, and don't hesitate to ask your medical team questions. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to cancer, it can make the difference between feeling vulnerable and feeling prepared, between limiting your life or fully enjoying it. Thank you for joining me in this series. I hope this information has been helpful and that you now have more tools to take charge of your health. Remember, prevention, proper nutrition, exercise, and professional support can make a real difference in your fight and in your path toward a healthier, longer life. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your physician for guidance specific to your situation.